conceptual videos with regards to JE physics. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications on time. Almost daily I post some conceptual videos which I think may be useful to you in some way or other. So in this video we're going to talk about the functioning of a venturimeter. Okay, this comes in fluid mechanics. So there is a flow of liquid is there. So this venturimeter is useful to find speed V. So as you can see, this pipe, the discharge Q is constant. So Q is equal to, if I say A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. This is our continuity equation. Now between this point and this point we can find the pressure difference. Delta P is equal to rho G H. H is this gap. This gap I am referring to as H. So delta P, the pressure difference is PA minus PB is equal to rho GH. We can also apply Bernoulli's equation between point 1, point A and B. We can apply this between A and B. So if I apply that, because this is an horizontal pipe, you know that the expression is PA plus, that is the pressure part, half rho VA square is equal to PV plus half rho VB square. So from here we are getting PA minus PB is equal to rho by 2 into VB square minus VA square. So we can name the equations. So this is what our equation 1 and this is equation 2. Here V1 means VA and V2 means VB. Okay, so we will be using that equation. So from that equation I'm getting, from equation 1 I'm getting VA is equal to A1 by A2 into VA. I'm sorry, VB is equal to, we can write VB in terms of VA or VA in terms of VB. We'll do one thing, we will write VA. We'll take, since I have written in terms of VB, we'll use that. So delta P is equal to rho GH is equal to rho by 2 into, in the place of VB we'll write this, so VA square will be common, so this will be A1 square by A2 square minus 1, so you can cancel out rho both sides, so this will be 2GH is equal to VA square multiplied by A1 square A2 square, A1 square minus A2 square by A2 square. So you know that Q is equal to VA into A times A, that is velocity multiplied by area. So we can do one thing, we can write VA square is equal to 2GH A2 square by A1 square minus A2 square. So take the square roots both sides, you get root over 2GH multiplied by A2 divided by A1 square minus A2 square. So once you know VA, you can always find VB. So this is the procedure that is involved in calculating using a venturimeter. So please subscribe my channel and you can post your comments, you can post your doubts in the comments. Whenever I'm free, I'll be answering them. Thank you.